Every year, trillions of rupees in illicit funds threaten nation's financial security. To dismantle these criminal financial networks, the Anti-Money Laundering Act 2010 empowers national institutions to detect, deter, investigate, and prosecute money laundering and related financial crimes. The National Accountability Bureau is designated as prime AML prosecuting and investigating agency. The Bureau has endeavored to carry out quantifiable work to safeguard the financial system of Pakistan. In the fight against financial crime, knowledge is the first line of defense. In July 2026, the Pakistan Anti-Corruption Academy brought together members of Islamabad District Judiciary to confront one of the country's most complex challenges, money laundering. Conducted over 4 sessions on the 2nd, 8th, 15th and 22nd of July. The orientation program brought together nearly 80 judges of Islamabad District Judiciary with 20 participants in each session. It marked a significant step towards strengthening judicial understanding of Pakistan's anti-money laundering framework and enhancing interinstitutional coordination. Each session commenced with the recitation of Holy Quran, the national anthem, and welcome remarks by the Director General of Pakistan Anti-Corruption Academy, Mr. Ghulam Safdar Shah. The sessions were formally inaugurated by the Chairman NAB, while honorable judges of Islamabad High Court and the Federal Minister of Law and Justice attended as chief guests, reflecting the collective commitment of Pakistan's key institutions to combating financial crime. In the opening address, Chairman NAB, Lieutenant General Retired Nazir Ahmed, emphasizes that money laundering poses a serious threat to Pakistan's economic stability and national integrity, requiring close collaboration among investigators, prosecutors, regulators, and judiciary. The training was delivered by distinguished resource persons from NAB headquarters and the Financial Monitoring Unit. Mr. Sohail Nasir, Deputy Chairman NAB, Mr. Mohammad Tahir, Director General Special Investigation Division, and Ms. Noorus Seher, Master Trainer Financial Monitoring Unit. Professionals with extensive international expertise gained through organizations including the Financial Action Task Force and the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. Deputy Chairman NAB, Mr. Sohail Nasir, presented the core legal framework of the Anti-Money Laundering Act 2010 while explaining common laundering techniques such as structuring, trade-based money laundering, shell companies, cryptocurrencies, and hawala. Mr. Mohammad Tahir provided participants with an overview of Global Anti-Money Laundering Framework, Financial Action Task Force Standards, FATF standards, international cooperation mechanisms, and the recovery of illicit assets. Ms. Noorus Seher highlighted the role of Financial Monitoring Unit as Pakistan's financial intelligence unit, explaining suspicious transaction reports, financial intelligence processes, and the GoAML reporting system. Throughout the program, participating judges actively engaged with the resource persons, raising insightful questions and sharing practical experiences from the bench, enriching the discussions through meaningful judicial perspectives. The sessions were honored by distinguished chief guests, including Justice Inam Amin Minhas, Senator Azam Nazir Tarar, Federal Minister for Law and Justice, and Justice Muhammad Azam Khan. Each commended NAB and Pakistan Anti-Corruption Academy for this important initiative and reaffirmed the judiciary's vital role in ensuring justice, accountability, and the rule of law. Every session concluded with the presentation of certificate of participants, commemorative souvenirs for the chief guests and resource persons, and group photographs, marking the successful completion of the program. First session, Chief Guest Justice Inam Amin Minhas distributed certificates to the participants. Deputy Chairman NAB, Mr. Sohail Nasir, presented a commemorative souvenir to Justice Inam Amin Minhas. Second session, Chief Guest Senator Azam Nazir Tarar, Federal Minister of Law and Justice, distributed certificates to the participants. Chairman NAB presented a commemorative souvenir to the Federal Minister. Third session, Chief Guest Justice Inam Amin Minhas distributed certificates to the participants. Prosecutor General NAB Ehtesham Qadir Shah presented a commemorative souvenir to Justice Inam Amin Minhas. Fourth session, Chief Guest Justice Muhammad Azam Khan distributed certificates to the participants. Prosecutor General NAB Ehtesham Qadir Shah presented a commemorative souvenir to Justice Muhammad Azam Khan. As the orientation program concluded, it left behind more than certificates and commemorative photographs. It reinforced a shared commitment to strengthening Pakistan's anti-money laundering and anti-corruption framework through a more informed, coordinated and resilient judiciary, because every informed decision, every coordinated effort and every fair judgment strengthens the nation's resolve against financial crimes.